Watch yourself. I don't want to hit you. Moving up with you. I'm gonna go to this right bunker if I can.
I'll cover you.
I'm moving. Is he out? Sniper's down or falling back? Sniper's falling back. Watch your right, guys. There's still a sniper in there. Gilly's up at that structure at mine 12 in. Gilly's crossing left now. Gilly's crossing left. Two snipers are going hard left. The two guys are just where the pine trees break into the bush. There's two snipers. Like quite deep, 20 meters in. You can't hit them from here. Barn, right on you! There's a guy right on the other side of your barn. Okay, that might be him. Yeah, he's dead. Guy's getting hit on the left.